Hi guys! Matagal-tagal tayong di nagkita. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa sa showings. As usual, yung usual jamming natin. Yun lang.
Pasensya na kayo kung puro showings yung vlog namin. So guys, dito na yung pera namin, nandito na yung budget. So, bago na lahat, please like, comment, and subscribe na sa aming channel. And
What in the fuck?
What in the f*** are you? Welcome. Welcome to Earth.
Welcome. Welcome to Earth. Welcome.
What in the... Welcome. Welcome to Earth.
So let's go. Sabi ko sa'yo, si Jarvis na lang gamitin natin.
Ano? Higda ng motoray nga dyan. Yung wala na tinok lang.
Tara, tumutulo siya guys. Oh. Yung gasolina tumutulo. Ayun oh. Ano dyan? Tulak ka na.
Hindi dyan, gumana yun eh. Pero pag ginana yan, muli ka tagay kayo. Diyan kaya tinok lang. Fuck.
Tinutulak din. Ang pagkakaiba, tinulak yung sa kanila gumana.
Yung sa amin hindi.
Yung sa atin di pa. Ayun oh, gumana yung sa kanila. Di, amoy na amoy yung gas oh. Yan, medyo tumigil na yung tumigil na yung patak. Ayan, wala na. Pukpok lang pala yung kailangan.
Jong, this is it. This is my time.
Ayun na, tatry na natin. Tatry na yan.
This is my time to shine. Eh ba may lakas?
Ala, Jong, wala na yung tulo.
Wala na yung tulo.
Wala na. Muli na dyan. Muli na natin si Jarvis. Let's go!
Nobody's stopping me, even a swing and a miss is a new opportunity. I'm the one you wanna see when we charging the gates, when we charging the enemy. Give me a miss, I'm making a melody. Give me a win, I'm making a monopoly. Let me introduce you to my legacy. I'm the one they looking for, yeah. On the fifth day to the east, yeah. I'm the answer to the beacon. Right before they try to breach, I change the fear and all my people to a tremor. When I speak, I'll be the one they writing stories, yeah. The one they won't believe.
So guys, nakabalik na kami dito. Ayun si P. Giovanni. Mag-change kami. Kumbaga change outfit kami. Any minute. Lalabas din yan. Ayun. P. Giovanni. Ay, P. Giovanni, paki piece of shit. Jarvis number 1 pa rin tayo. Tingnan natin kung may start. Nah, jom klub minggu ini. Yun! Jarvis number 1.
Jarvis.
Pijo Bunny number 7. So, yun. 1, 2, 3. Yun! Na all. So, binigo tayo ni Pijo Bunny.
For the 16th timer.
Oh. So, let's go. Jong, video ko.
Yo, this has come over to my house, written by Dr. Seuss, and I'm gonna rap this book. Some houses are bricks and some houses are sticks. Some houses are square and some houses are round. There are all kinds of houses around to be found. Some are on stilts high up off the ground. Some houses are wide, some houses are thin. Some are so thin.
So, ito guys, gamit namin si Jarvis. Kuya mo Gerald, driver. Yo, eyes on the road, eyes on the road, eyes on the road. So yun, we're on the road again. Malapit na kami sa showings. So, see you there guys. Beep, 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 beep.
Kasi potang ang gamit ko kasi ganun rin. Ano sana ba? So yun guys, tapos na kami kumain.
So, ulit, as usual, full na full.
So yun lang guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Let's go!